let's look at the integration of trigonometry ratio. Okay? When you are given sine x to integrate, you simply do equal to minus cos s plus c. That is all. Minus cos s plus c. It is this, but because there is no limit here, we put plus c. When you are given cos s, is simply sine x, no minus. Then you put c, sine x, not s. For tan x, is simply equals to minus ln absolute value of cos s plus c minus ln, that is natural logarithm, cos s plus c, or ln sec x plus c. Either of these. Ln absolute value of cos s plus c, or ln absolute value of sec s plus c for tan x. This can easily be understood, straightforward, but you might be asking yourself, how do we come about this? Let's prove this for tan x. So let's see the integration of tan x. The integration of tan x. You will agree with me, tan s is sine s over cos s. Okay, we are using this now to replace this. That is the first step. Now, let's select u be equals to cos x. Okay, now, if I do du over dx, you agree with me is equals to minus sine x. When you do du ds for cosine, that is differentiation, you're going to have minus sine x. Remember, I am simply proving why tan s is equals to minus ln cos s plus c, or ln sec s plus c. That is this. Minus ln cos s, that is absolute value plus c, ln sec s, the absolute value of sec plus c. We are proving this, okay? We are following the step to prove it. First, you do this, which is the replacement for tan. Then we say let u be equals to cos s. If you do du ds of cosine, that is, if you find the differential of cosine, it's always minus sine. Okay? It means, therefore, if I want to find du now, I can say minus sine s. I bring this one here, dx. I am making it the subject of formula. I take this one to this side. Now, if we come back to this place, you agree with me that here, if you look at this now, I can write this as or. I will divide both sides by minus 1. That means minus du is equals to sine s dx. You understand it? I am dividing both sides by minus 1. So that this minus will come to this side, become minus du equals to sine x. Now, I want to replace this sine dx, sine ds with minus du. That is minus du over, what is cosine? Cosine s is u. You get it? So now, with this, we can say minus du over u. You agree with me? I can do this 1 over u du. That is, du multiplied by this will still give us du. What is the meaning of the integration of 1 over x dx? You agree with me? Is ln x. So the same thing with this. Because we are seeing 1 over u here, the integration of this is ln u. Okay? Ln u. That is the absolute value the absolute value of u. Then you put plus c. Remember that you might decide to put this absolute value, you might decide to remove them. That is the absolute value. In some books, you will see them. In some books, they might just represent it simply as ln u, like this one, simply ln x. But professionally, you have to represent it like this. Like this. Okay? So with this we have now, all we have to do is to go back to know the meaning of u, by the way. U is cos x, cos s. So now we have minus ln cos s plus c. You see where it's coming from? That is this. Minus ln cos s plus c. This you are seeing here is also ln sec x. You can replace it with ln sec s. So therefore, you can say this is all ln sec x. You can leave it like this. When you put this, it's okay. Either this or this. You might ask yourself, how do we come about this? You agree with me that normally sec s is equal to 1 over cos s, normally. Okay? Now, we can find the logarithm, that the natural logarithm of both sides, by saying ln sec x equals to ln 1 over cos s. If you follow the logarithm rule that says ln a over b, ln a minus ln b, you follow this law, you will agree with me that we can replace this now. That's this. Ln sec x. Can replace this with this ln 1 minus ln cos x. That is ln this over ln this. Okay? ln this, ln this. This. Because when we have over, it's always minus for this. And this is 0. It means therefore this is, okay, you see where it's coming from? This can replace minus ln cos x. Okay? The natural logarithm of sec s equals to minus the natural logarithm of cos x. Okay? So you now see where we get this one. Either you leave it like this or like this. That is the integration of what? Tan x. So the integration of tan s is this. So let's go back to this place. Again, to cap it up, the integration of sine is minus cos s. Integration of cos is sine x. The integration of tan is minus natural logarithm of cos s plus c, or the natural logarithm of sec s. Put this at the back of your mind. They are very important. Say for instance, you are asked to integrate this. For instance, cos x, you are asked to integrate this. Just as an example, what do? This 1 over s is natural logarithm x. So we can first of all actually separate them. We separate this and this. For this one, it's a straightforward answer. It's ln x. For this one is sine x. You can see in this place. For cosine is sine x. Okay, so all you have to do now, you just put plus c, because this is what? Indefinite integral. So this is the integration of this. Okay, very straightforward. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.